Let's record another cut laminate part. And here, this is where you set the size of the foam block. Then you can choose according to your foam size. Set the width here. Height. Then offset, here too. You can change it to 5 mm here. Apply horizontal cutting part thickness. This is where you want to set the thickness you cut. What is the thickness? One piece is limited to cutting only a few parts. Here you can set it up. For example, if you want to cut 10 or 15, you can do it. The thickness of the first cut. What about the thickness of the cut first? It means that you want the first layer. If your bubble doesn't work, you can just flatten it on the first layer first. Here you can set 5 mm, 3 mm. Set according to the actual flatness of your foam. Ground safety distance, that is to say, this countertop to this foam. He is a safe distance away. The safety distance can be set to 5 毫米 and a few millimeters here, 1 mm, 2 mm. As long as it doesn't touch the countertop, you can. This is a horizontal cut. We normally use horizontal cutting. Next to it there is also an application for vertical cutting. This vertical cut. Well, what about vertical cutting? I may be able to choose the creation path for you first and take a look. If you choose both, what you cut out squares. Let's take a look at horizontal cutting first. Click Create Path again. It goes sideways like this. Did you see it up there? The above is what we cut off. It was cut, and you set it to 3 mm. The first is that 3 mm is wasted. Number of cutting layers. We set it up. Several layers of part thickness. The number of layers can only cut 10 parts. This must be 10 parts. Now look at vertical cutting. Let's turn it off. Then click to cut vertically. Cut vertically. If you cut permissions, let's set 5 first. First cut the thickness. The cutting thickness is also set to 10. Safe ground safe distance. You look here. If it is 5, we create the cutting path. It won't cut to the bottom. So this ground safety distance, if you cut vertically, you must change it to ground safety distance is 0. Then you click on the cutting path again. It cuts to the bottom. If it is normal, if we use it normally, it is horizontal cutting. Cut. If it is cut vertically, just pay attention to the safe distance on the ground. Then click Create Path. After creating the path, then here is a code that creates G and runs it. Is this still all computer? Or jump directly to CNC? If you are the handle, or choose the path of the to access G code here. Then plug the saved USB stick into the handle.